So in my hands now are two of the newest foldable phones in the market, okay? So this is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and this is the Honor Magic V3. Now, if you're looking for the best foldable to buy, I'm sure you will see these two options in your list, okay? But which one is the better one? Let's compare in this video. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. Now when it comes to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, okay, this is already the 6th generation and actually we don't see much improvements or changes since the previous generation. But for the Honor Magic V3, although this is only the 3rd generation, but there is vast improvements from the V2, okay? So in this video, let's start comparing by the price. Now, if you want to compare price, okay, we will look at the same specification, which is 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. And for that, the Samsung Z Fold 6 is 7,899. But for the Honor Magic V3, it's only 6,999. So price-wise, this already won. But price itself is not enough to win, okay? So next, we will look at the design. Now, when it comes to design, usually when it comes to foldable, we will look at how thick they are first, okay? So we are comparing the thickness folded and unfolded for both the Z Fold 6 and also the Honor Magic V3. Now, for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, when folded, it is 12.1mm. Unfolded, it's at 5.6mm. Now compared to the Honor Magic V3, folded is 9.2mm and unfolded is 4.35mm. Actually, if you don't look at the numbers, you can already see and feel the difference here, okay? The Samsung is almost like a phone from the year 2000. And of course, the Honor Magic V3 looks like a phone from 2024. Of course, thickness-wise, Honor wins again. Now, with the thickness of 9.2mm folded, okay, the Magic V3 is actually the thinnest foldable phone in the market. Now, when it comes to weight, this thing also wins because this thing is 226 grams only because the Samsung is 239 grams. Now, the next most important thing when it comes to foldable is durability, okay? Now, for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, okay, it actually uses armor aluminium for the hinge and also the frame, which is very strong and also very tough. And it also has water resistant at IP48. Now for the screen, it's using Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, which is totally durable and tough. We all know this brand, okay? Now when it comes to Honor Magic V3, the front display is actually using anti-scratch nano crystal shield, okay? And for this, I actually have personal experience scratching the phone and it totally doesn't scratch at all. So if you see my Instagram story, I actually posted this earlier. And it also has water resistant as well, IPX8. So if you want to throw into the washing machine and let it wash, also can, doesn't matter. The Honor Magic V3 uses Honor's Super Steel and also Shield Steel hinge. That also means it is lighter, more durable, can open very smoothly. Look at that. Wow, okay? And overall, it feels better as well. Now, one big difference, okay, after you buy the phone when it comes to Honor and also the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is that Honor actually gives screen protection, okay, for 365 days for the inside screen and also the outside screen. So totally don't care lah. If you want to buy the phone, you want to break the phone, never mind, within 1 year can change. Speaking of screen, okay, it's time to compare the screen outside and also inside, okay? So how do we compare? Of course, we have to compare the size lah and also the brightness lah, right? When it comes to the Honor Magic V3, external screen is actually 6.43 inch and can go as bright as 5000 nits, okay? For inside screen, it is 7.92 inch and can go up to 2500 nits. For Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, the outside screen is 6.3 inch and the internal screen is 7.6 inch. Both the screens can go up to 2600 nits brightness. So when you put them side by side, right, you can actually see that the screen for outside and inside for the Honor Magic V3 is bigger than the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. When it comes to brightness, the Honor is also brighter. So in this screen comparison, we already know who's the winner. So what do you need to power those two big screens on these phones? Battery lor, right? So when it comes to battery, the Honor Magic V3 actually has a bigger battery at 5150 mAh, and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a 4000 mAh battery. Now when it comes to charging, this one also quite interesting, okay, because it has 50-watt wireless charging. You know, wireless means you put this on top of the charger without cable. 50-watt, you know. For the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, 15 only. It's might as well you don't charge it because cannot get any battery one. Okay, but when you plug in the cable, this is when the charging shines. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, 25 watt. And if you think that's fast, the Honor Magic V3, 66 watt. So I don't want to say who's the winner lah. You see yourself lah. I show you like that. Now that we've compared the price, the design, the thickness, durability, and also screen, and brightness, and charging, and also battery, what else is left? Camera lor, right? So when it comes to the camera, right, as you can see, both the design is quite distinctive. When you see this, you know it's Honor's camera. When you see this, you know it is Samsung's camera. But when it comes to specs, also instantly we can see the winner. For Honor Magic V3, it comes with a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto camera with OIS, 3.5 times optical zoom, okay, which can go up to 100 times. For a foldable, that's crazy. Now it also has a 50 megapixel main camera, 40 megapixel ultra wide and macro camera, and also 2BG 20 megapixel front camera, okay, which supports 4K video recording and 90-degree wide angle. Samsung, it has a 50 megapixel main camera which can go up to 2 times optical only, 12 megapixel ultra wide angle, 10 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical up to 30x digital zoom, which already lost to the Honor Magic V3. 10 megapixel front camera and also a 4 megapixel under display camera inside the internal screen. So after comparing the camera specs for both, right, we already know that Honor Magic V3 is the clear winner, although both are same generation, 2024. Okay, because this one has a 50 megapixel telephoto camera, which is higher, 40 megapixel ultra wide camera, which is higher, and also the 20 megapixel front camera for outside and also inside, which is also higher than the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Amazing. Okay, here's an additional info, okay. For the foldables, both of them actually supports pen input, okay. But the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 does not come with it. And if you want, you have to buy it separately. And this in my hand is actually the Honor Magic Pen that comes with the Honor Magic V3 if you pre-order now. Only if you pre-order lah. Okay, last thing to compare, AI features, okay, because phones in 2024, if you don't compare AI, there's nothing much to talk lah. Okay, so when it comes to AI, let's talk about all the AI features on the Samsung first. Now the first thing I want to talk about is Note Assist. It's basically a feature that translates and also transcripts and summarizes voice recording on the Note app. The Composer feature on Samsung is basically the keyboard that can generate suggested text based on keywords and tone. The next one is Sketch to Image, whereby with the S Pen, we can sketch on gallery or note and turn it into an image. And the next one, a feature that was launched last year, which is Circle to Search. It's a feature that you can circle on anything and have it search on Google. The next AI feature is called Interpreter, whereby you can use the Translate app to do conversations, okay? And you can talk to people by flipping the screen up, and both can see the translations on both sides. And lastly, there's also Portrait Studio, whereby we can create different portrait styles such as 3D cartoon or watercolor using our face. Now when it comes to Honor, the AI features are a little bit different, okay? So the first one is Magic Portal. So with this, we can use our knuckle to draw circles on anything, long press on words or pictures to transfer to other apps. There's also AI motion sensing, whereby it can capture action shots automatically. This also a feature launched probably 1 or 2 years ago on the Honor Magic 5 and 6. Okay, the next one is face-to-face translation, whereby if you hold the screen up, you can also translate text using voice and it will be displayed on both sides of the screen. Voice to text basically transcribes voice to text and can recognize different speakers in Honor notes.
I'm great, thanks. How about you?
I'm great too, thanks.
Live translation is basically a feature whereby you can instantly translate voice text in Honor notes.
Hey Jim, how are you?
I'm great, thanks. How about you?
And last but not least, AI eraser. I think this one we all know lah. Basically, we can remove unwanted items or elements inside photos and also images. So if you ask me, both the phones actually have very good AI features, okay? It really depends what kind of features you use more in your life, then you pick the phone based on that lah. But I just want to say that the Magic Portal feature on the Honor Magic V3 is more useful on a day-to-day basis. Like for example, we can actually do Magic Portal to two apps, and then we can open both the apps on the screen to compare, for example lah. And then the live translation on the Honor Magic V3 can also do Bahasa Melayu. This one, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 cannot. Hello, lama tak jumpa. Apa khabar?
Hello, long time no see. How are you?
Okay, so I won't say which one has a better AI feature and which one will win. You decide for yourself which features you prefer. So in conclusion, okay, if you did not watch the whole video, I just want to summarize to you. The Honor Magic V3 is a clear winner when it comes to foldable in 2024 because the price is better, the design is better, it's also thinner, okay, has better camera specs, camera features, has more AI features, okay, and of course the screen is bigger, battery is bigger, charging is also faster. Actually, a bit paiseh lah, a bit shy. I want to say so many things on this side is better than the Samsung, but clearly lah, you know, it's true that when we compare, only we will be able to see which one is a better phone and more value device for you to buy. If you agree, leave a comment and let me know. If you don't agree, also leave a comment and let me know, but don't scold me lah, huh? Just reply in the comment gently and nicely. Okay? Thank you very much. So if you love gadget videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo.